And welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, and if you're coming back, then welcome. So in today's video, as you can tell from the title, is a makeup tutorial on this look right here, using this palette from Lottie London in collaboration with Xthuyle, which is Xthuyle. On Instagram, I'm sure you would have seen her videos. She has over 1 million followers and she's pretty damn amazing. So yeah, I saw this palette when I was in Birmingham maybe like a few weeks ago, very spontaneously. I knew I wanted to get it, but I didn't know I was going to get it that day, if that makes sense. I walked past and I was like, oh my god, that is so nice. And I got the last one. So I think these are selling really well. I know this palette is limited edition, but I don't know how long they're going to be stocking it for. So definitely go ahead and pick this up if you are interested in it. It's only £10 and look how many shades you get, and they are beautiful. I also used, if I can find it, the Diamond Dips. This is in the shade So Instagrammable, which I've just put on the like inner section. I've kind of like blended it out and I really like it. This is a really weird like consistency, but I'm into it. Like, this is so much easier than like putting like glitter glue down and packing the glitter on. So I am feeling this makeup look. There's a card going past, that's rude. But yeah, if you would like to see how I created this makeup look and just some little thoughts on the palette, then please carry on watching. And before you do, please give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I shall see you with no makeup on in 3, 2, 1. So we have the palette right here. It is really, really pretty. I think Xthuyle and Lottie London have done an amazing job in this palette. And this is definitely something that I would reach for on a daily basis. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think today what I'm going to do is I really want to put this colour kind of like on the lid with the Diamond Dip on the inner corner. And then I really want to put like the navy blue on the lower lash line. I don't know why, that's just what I'm feeling. So the first colour I'm going to go in with is this one right here, which is called Literally. Just because I want to use as many colours from the palette as possible, and I'm just going to do a little wash of colour all over the lid for a clean canvas. All of my brushes are needing to be clean, so I'm using like my really old random brushes, so ignore all the brushes in the video. But I'm just going to take the colour Literally on this like random fluffy brush, tap off the excess, and then I'm just going to wash this colour all over the lid. Like so. The next shade I'm going to take is this one right here, which is called Fam Bam, which is this one right here. It's like a movie brown. I don't really know how to describe it. I'm sure there is a better description of it, but this is the colour I'm going to take right here as my main transition shade. I'm just going to go in with a blending brush. I would have liked a mirror in the palette, but I know that would like increase the cost of the palette. That's probably my only like immediate feedback, just because I want to like hold it up, but that's fine. So I'm just going to blend this. Ooh, this is nice and pigmented. I'm just going to work this into the crease of the eye. I'm going to go quite heavy. I want quite a dramatic eye look today. Oh, I really like the way these blend out. I've never tried Lottie London eyeshadows before. I think I've only tried... Oh, I've got Lottie London tweezers right here. But I don't think I've actually ever tried anything from Lottie London. I might be wrong, but I don't remember. But this is blending really nicely. Ooh. Yeah, feeling that. Just working it into the crease and little windshield and wiper motions, doing little wiggles just to really blend it out and diffuse it. Putting it out towards the like tail of my brow as well. Just gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to take another blending brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Red Velvet, which is this one right here, which is gorgeous. It's like a go-to transition shade for me. It's like a reddy brown. It's beautiful. So I'm going to take this one right here. I'm just going to pop that into the crease of the eye also. Just starting with the outer corner of the eye, as that's where I want the eye to be like the darkest. And then just slowly bring it inwards as well. Oh, I like what this colour's doing. It's just adding some nice like warmth to the eyelid. I'm going to blend it back out again with the other brush. Next I'm going to go in with this black shade right here, which is called No Tea, No Shade. I'm going to take this on a little blending brush from Real Techniques. It's really, really tiny. It's called the Essential Crease Brush. I think this would be really good to kind of like pack it on the outer corner. Packing that on the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it in as well. I'm not going to bring it in towards the inner corner though. And then I'm going to go back in with that red velvet shade just to kind of blend it out a little bit. Yes, this looks pretty. So then for the main lid shade, I'm going to take this one right here, which is called Bish. This one right here, which is my favourite colour from the palette. It's just a beautiful cranberry shade. I'm going to pack this on the outer 2/3 of the eye. I'm just going to spritz my little shader brush with a little bit of fixing spray. For once, I'm not going to apply a sticky base. What is happening? I don't know. But I'm just going to go straight into the shadow and just see what happens. So I pack that on quite a lot, and I'm going to work this on the outer. Wow, I don't have a base on, and that is beautiful. Oh my god. Yes, 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 yes. This is so nice. Like, I don't have a base on and it's picked up that much pigment. Wow, wow, wow. I'm going to leave the inner section blank, so I'm going to put some glitter there. So now I'm going to go in with the glitter, and I'm taking the My Lottie London Diamond Dips. This is a face and body glitter gel, and this is in the shade So Instagrammable. So it's like a gel glitter pot, and look at this. So I'm just going to take this on a little lip brush like this. Oh, okay, this is going to be fun. I want to pack it down so it's like quite opaque. Right, let's see how this works. I'm just going to pop this on the inner corner of the eye and kind of attempt to diffuse it a little bit over on top of the cranberry shade so it scatters across. That looks so pretty. Trying to keep my eyes closed so it doesn't transfer across. So that's why I look a little bit funny, because I'm trying to not make it transfer. I like it. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna close my eyes and let it dry for a bit. Now we're going to go in with some liquid liner, and I'm taking a new one. This is a Revolution Renaissance eyeliner. It's like a fountain pen. It's really cool. I swatched it on my hand the other day and it did not budge for ages, so I've got good hopes for this liner. So I'm just going to apply a wing. I won't be able to talk over this, but I'm basically going to draw a line across and then up and then back down. You'll see what I'm going to do. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes for a little bit of a lift. And then for mascara, I got a little sample of this Makeup Forever Excessive Lash Mascara, so that's what I'm going to apply. Oh, the wand looks interesting. Okay, I'm not going to lie, it's not really doing much, but it's okay, we're going to be applying falsies anyway. Ooh, lash time! So now for lashes, I'm going to apply these off screen because otherwise I'll be doing this and I'll go completely out of focus. But the lashes that I'm going to put on are the Pinky Goat Lulu lashes. I picked these up recently in my Superdrug haul, which will be coming to my channel very soon. These look amazing. They're £10 and they're kind of separated, but they're wispy, so I really like the look of these. I'm just going to pop them on and I'll be right back. So my lashes are on, and now I'm going to apply some liner to the waterline. I was going to put on a black, but because we're putting it navy blue on the lower lash line, I decided to go for a blue liner. This is just a really old eyeliner pencil. This is an MUA Intense Colour Royal Blue eyeliner pencil. It's just the cheapest eyeliner pencil you can get. It's probably £1 from Superdrug. So yeah, anything will do. I'm just going to pop this in the waterline. I'm also going to work it into the lashes just a little bit, like the base of the lashes, just so when I put on that blue eyeshadow in a second, blends in just a little bit more. I don't have that skin gap showing. So I've just got this double-ended brush from Revlon that I used to use ages ago. It's like the smoky eye brush. I'm just going to take the teeny little brush on the end, it's like a smudger brush, and I'm going to go in straight away with that beautiful blue shade, which I'm really excited to put on. Here we go. I'm just going to blend this under the lower lash line. I'm going to stamp it at first so I don't get as much shadow in my eyeball, and then just kind of keep building it up. Oh, I like it. It's making my eyes look piercing. Do you know what I mean? Although I have lots of blue eyeshadow like on my eyeballs, so I always end up with eyeshadow in my eyeballs once I like smudge it on the lower lash line. It just kind of sprays. Let's move on to my face. Of course, I'm taking my Primark Primer Water. I'm just gonna give it a good old shake. Spray this all over. I'm loving it, this makeup look. Give that a good fan dry. I bought a new primer the other day. I bought the Revlon Photo Ready Perfecting Primer. I think I used to use this ages ago, so I'm excited to try out again. I'm gonna squeeze some out and then just work this into the center parts of my face. I'm testing out a new foundation today. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. I am in the shade Y225, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this. How exciting, first time using it. Eek. Just squeezing a little bit onto my beauty blender, and then I'm just going to work this all over the face. This has a really full coverage. Quick little review, but I really like this foundation. It's a velvet finish, actually, and a lot of foundations claim to be a velvet finish, but this is a velvet finish. I like this foundation. I didn't think it was like interesting enough to do another foundation first impressions, so yeah, I thought I'd just include that in this. Right, moving on to cream contouring. I'm going to cream contour using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Mink Stick to Flawless Foundation Stick. What is left of it anyway. I'm just going to contour under my cheekbones, around my forehead, under my chin, down my nose, under my lip. I'm not talking over it because I'm doing an Instagram video as well, so it's kind of like trying to do 2 in 1. But you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to use a little blending brush to blend this all out. I will just make a side note about this foundation that it sets. So if you're doing like cream contouring stuff, do like a little bit at a time. A little bit more effort to blend out the cream contour, but that is fine. At least we know this makeup is going to last all day. Concealer, concealer. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. I'm going to pop this on my chin. Cover up all that hormonal redness on the middle of my forehead. I don't really know why I do this, to be honest, it's just a habit, but I think it just helps to like balance out the face. Then I'm going to apply some under my eyes, of course. And a little bit kind of like on the tip of my nose and down the centre of my nose. Then I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sponge and blend it all out. I'm just going to quickly take off the kind of foundation off my lips and then pop on a little bit of lip balm just while I do everything else. For powder, I'm just going to take my Etmore Beauty Mineral Complexion Powder just to set my face. I'm just going to tap that into the skin, make sure it's nice and set and it will stay all day. This spot just won't cover. Now I'm going to contour. I'm taking my Nip and Fab contour kit. So I'm taking this one right here, which is called Ginger. So I'm just contouring under my cheekbones, around my temples and the tops of my forehead. I feel like it just makes your face look more like, I don't know, like put together. I'm going to take a new bronzer. This is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sun Glow. I'm just going to use this to bronze up my face. Just around the kind of like size of my face in that 3 shape. So 1, 2, well, 1, 2, 3. And then I put some on my neck as well, just so it all blends in. I'm going to go in with a blush that I haven't used in a while. This is the MAC Peachy Keen blush. And I'm going to take it on my Zoeva 126 Luxe Cheek Finish brush. I'm going to pop some of this onto my cheeks. Next, I'm going to set the face. I'm taking a Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating and Plumping Makeup Fixing Spray. Boom! I'm going to take this right here. Give it a good shake, spray this all over and fan my face dry. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with a Sleek Makeup Sources palette, and I'm going to take this champagne-y kind of colour right here. Before I apply it, I'm just going to quickly spritz my highlighting brush. This is the Zoeva Luxe Powder Fusion brush with a little bit of fixing spray just to kind of make it a little bit damp. This just helps the highlighter to not look like too powdery and really blend into the skin. I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones. Tip of the nose, a little bit down the nose, above the lip. There's a highlight shade in the palette, so I'm going to take this one right here, which is called 1M for 1 million, when you hit 1 million. Oh, that's such a pretty, like, inner corner highlight. Yes, honey. And then I'm also going to apply some to my brow bone, right in the arch, just to tie everything together. Coming together. I'm just going to take the number 7 brush from earlier that barely had anything on it, just to blend out the brow bone highlight. Then to set the brows in place, I'm taking my clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, just brushing my hairs back and then the front of the brow up. I'm going to take some mascara on my lower lashes just to complete the eye look. For my lips, I'm going to go in with Maxwell lip liner, just because I think a nude will be best with this look. And then for lips, I'm going to go in with the Ciate Glitter Flip Chaos Liquid Lipstick. It's nude, but it has glitter, so you know. And then what you want to do is just kind of go, and glitter comes out. And this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I definitely recommend going to get this palette. It's only £10, which is amazing, and it's so good. It has like the blues and the green and the blue and the cranberry and like the neutral colours and all your matte shades. This is amazing. So I think they've done an amazing job. So well done to Xthuyle. I am a big fan. I really hope you like this makeup look. I'm really feeling it, you know, like the dark navy blue on the lower lash line with the glitter. I haven't used glitter in ages, but I bought some glitter recently, so get excited for makeup tutorials, you guys. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It means the absolute world, and I shall see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. I think she and Lottie Xthuyle and Lottie, oh my, Lottie London. Just going to spritz my, oh, I've got really itchy eyebrow. Corner. This is the So Instagrammable the Renaissance Light Eyeliner. Ow. Ah! Because this foundation. Wow. Set timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
Oh no, it's broke. Oh no. I've got powder everywhere. For highlighter. Oh, you're wobbling. No, what am I doing? Okay.